Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, here we got the most common problem with the gas golf cart. What happens is this golf cart here, the guy has been put up for the winter, and he just now getting it back out to use it. But what he did was he left the bad gas in it. He didn't put no ethanol-free gas, or he didn't put a fuel stabilizer in it. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what the symptoms are and the problems we're having, and how for y'all to prevent from having this problem here. It doesn't pertain to an EZGO, club car, or Yamaha. It's any gas golf cart. Matter of fact, you can use it for your lawnmower, your weed eater, anything. Always remember. Let me get a key here. Now, if you'll notice, watch what it does. I'm in neutral. Now I'm gonna pull the choke out. Hear that? And at the same time, you can smell bad gas. So what I'm going to do here, we're going to see exactly if it's fuel related or spark related. But this is why, like I said, man, you put your fuel stabilizer or ethanol-free gas. Because look at the tank, man. It is 5 gallons of gas. It's full too, so it's been in there for about 9 months. So what I'm going to do, spark plug out, hang a spark plug in it. Like I said, man, if you're just using it for the summertime or the spring, dipsticks in backwards, it's broke off because it's put in backwards. Use the spark tester here. I don't like the inline spark tester because it takes less amperage to fire across the end than it does the spark plug. So I hang a spark plug tester in line. It's got an open spark plug on the end of it. And you just clamp this. You clamp this to something metal. So once you clamp it to the spark plug. Let me clamp it right here and see if you can see it. And it's sparking every time. So what that means is that the carburetor's clogged up. Now, don't just assume the carburetor's clean up. I've been doing this for years after years, so I can tell the engine has compression. I can smell the bad gas, and I seen the spark. If yours don't sound like compression, watch another one of my videos. If it doesn't have bright blue spark, watch another one of my videos. And if you don't smell bad gas, or you haven't had your gas in there long, watch some other of my videos, and they'll tell you what to do next. There's a carburetor and choke cleaner, or take some starter fluid. Spray it inside the carburetor. And the reason it didn't crank up there was because the plug was fouled, because your carburetor is running rich. So what we're going to do now is change the spark plug. The spark plug socket is a 13/16 socket. Take it out, and then we're going to see exactly what it looks like and what's causing it. You see the spark plug's fouled. So now we're going to put the new spark plug in, because it probably fouled from the bad gas because they're running rich. And if you look at the spark plug, you see the ends of it that are covered in black smudge. Like that, you can see the black smut in it. Because what happened when gas goes bad is the gas does not ignite because it's bad. So it takes more of the gas to build up the octane in it to make it where it does fire, so it floods, and that's what causes your car to run rich. Flood. Or he could have pulled the choke trying to crank it up and fouled the plug. Well, let's see what it does. So like I said, man, you see the dipstick's broke. You see how short it is. It was in like this, and it should be like this. So make sure you put it in right when you do it. All right, let's see here. All right, man, I just wanted to show you that, man. So there's what happens when you put 5 gallons of gas in your cart and don't drive it that much without no fuel stabilizer or you put ethanol gas in it. Make sure you use ethanol-free gas or a fuel stabilizer and your gas is good for a year. If you need any more information on this, go to my page. I have over 400 videos on troubleshooting, general maintenance, and knowledge you should know as a golf cart owner. Plus, you can become a member for 99 cents up to $5 and you get access to over 100 videos. At this point, it's 162 videos you get early access to that you will need to know as a golf cart owner. Or if you're a golf cart mechanic, great tips, great information you need to know to be able to fix golf carts. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more, man. Always remember, hey, hey, hey.